All I see is blessings. Got no time for stressing. Don't believe in failures in my life. It's only lessons.
Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, welcome to the family. So today I'm going to be unboxing my new phone. My husband gets super excited, guys, because he asked me which one I want, if I want a camera or I want a phone. I would have loved to choose camera, but not here, because anything I'm doing, if I'm going out, I can be editing on my phone. Like, I prefer using my phone for editing than of me transferring everything to my laptop and editing it on the go. I can just be editing my videos. If I'm lying there, I can be editing my videos. So that's why I said I choose phone. So guys, today we are going to be unboxing the phone. The phone just arrived and I was super excited to come here and show you guys the phone. So it came like this. So let's unbox it together. Yeah, I don't know if you guys have seen it. Anyway, I'm going to be raising it up. So let's go. Dun 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 dun. Oh my god, I'm so happy. My current phone now is iPhone 11 Pro Max. Now I'm upgrading to a bigger phone. I really don't like changing my phone much because as far it allows me to do everything, I'm good. So oh my god. Oh my god, iPhone 15 Pro Max. I didn't even know they was going to get me iPhone 15. I thought it's just normal like iPhone 14 or iPhone 13. iPhone 15 Pro Max, guys. I'm so happy. Oh baby, if you're watching this, I love you so much. Now my video quality will be super. Let's open it, guys. Okay, see. Okay. Oh my god. Okay, another one is going. Guys, I wasn't expecting iPhone 15. I won't lie to you. Like, oh my god, guys. White. Oh Jesus Christ. Oh my god, guys. This is 15. Oh my god. 15 Pro Max. So my baby. Oh my pretty baby. Oh Jesus, guys. I'm so happy. 15 Pro Max, guys. So what's inside the box? It came with this adapter, charger, and what else is inside? Okay, this normal iPhone pin, then this. Oh my god. Oh my god. Guys, I'm so happy. Oh Jesus Christ, as in to even open the phone now. iPhone 15 Pro Max. This is my new egg, as in my baby. My baby. I'm short of words, guys. I was expecting 13 or 14, like, oh babe, 15 Pro Max. Gee. $15 Pro Max white 1 terabyte. I've been complaining about my storage on my phone. Like, now I can shoot videos, longer videos, my content, just be piling them. Oh my god, babe, I love you so much. Ooh, ooh, ooh. 15. Oh, so sweet. Oh, okay, let's on it. I don't know if I have to charge it first. Oh my god. Hello. Hello. Yeah. Oh my god, babe. I'm just doing the setting now, like appearance. Choose how you would like your phone icon to look like. Oh, it said I have to set up another device. So guys, I'm coming. Let me set up with this phone first. I'm coming. I've set everything. Everything is working now. I'm super excited, guys. I just can't wait to start using my new phone. I'm so happy, guys. This is what I'm going to be using to shooting my content, everything now, because it has a lot of space, which is why I'm really happy. Like 1 terabyte, that I don't need iCloud storage. I don't need to buy any iCloud storage. I'm super excited, guys, for this my new phone. Oh Jesus, yeah. Oh my god. So that's it. That's it. That's it. I'm gonna compare the two cameras. This is my iPhone 11. I'm gonna show you guys what the 15 Pro Max look like. This is my iPhone 11 front camera. So I'm gonna show you guys what 11 15 Pro Max camera front camera look like. So let's see it. Oh my god, guys, this is the iPhone 15. See how clear it is. Oh Jesus, I'm super excited about this phone because it has a lot of storage. My iPhone 11 Pro was running out of storage, and this one has 1 gigabyte. Like, oh my god, it's not going to run out of storage. No more buying of iCloud storage and all that. It's super clear. When I'm using my iPhone 11 front camera, it has this ish things. Not that that one is not good for video filming. It's also good, but this one is super clear. See how smooth my face look now. Can you see how smooth my face look? Ah, Jesus. I can't wait to explore this phone, check everything, do all the setting for my phone. I just can't wait. So guys, I know, right? I know. So that's it for this video, guys. Thank you guys for watching. If you're new to my channel, please make sure you subscribe, join the family. And for my OG, without you guys I won't be here. Thank you guys for always coming back to watch my video, and I'm going to see you guys on my next video. Bye bye.